Hey everybody, and welcome back to a new video. This is Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey guys, and today I'm going to be, unboxing technically, and we're going to be looking at the new Tiny Whoop 1S Discharger. This is the one that Jesse just released. I believe that was last week when he released these. This is the one where it just plugs right into your battery, and it lights up and it discharges. So it's a pretty cool little static bag that it comes in. It's got the little Tiny Whoop logo, 1S Discharger on there. It's sealed up, and then on the back it's got a little sticker that says, remember, always closely monitor charging and discharging of your LiPo batteries, of course. Also a quick voltage charge, so if the light stays solid for a moment, then it's basically at 4.15 and it's ready to rip. So I'm going to go ahead and put my phone on the tripod here for a second, and we'll go ahead and open this thing up and take a look. Alright, so here it is again. So let's go ahead and open this up really quick. So you just go ahead and tear like that across, and then we'll go ahead and slide our little discharger out. This thing is super light. So there you can see, let me turn it around. There's the Tiny Whoop logo, there's the small LEDs, there's the little board that it comes with, and there's the connector. So just so you guys know, just so we can prove that I'm using a fully charged battery, I'll go ahead and put this in my charger. Let me get rid of that little hair right there. And there we go. So we're on one cell, all, and it's at 4.20. So we know. So let's go ahead and plug it into the top really quick here. So let me get it in there. There we go. Okay. So it stayed lit like Jesse said it was supposed to. There we go. And now it's starting to blink. So yeah, so that's kind of a cool little feature. So you can see it's a nice cool like blue. And if I remember right, these are supposed to discharge down to 3.90, and then it's supposed to stop charging. So yeah, so it just fits right on top of your little 1S battery. This is a GNB 300 milliamp battery. And yeah, so that's it. There's not really a whole lot. I do like that it's shrink wrapped really nice, and I like that it's got the Tiny Whoop logo on it, so that's pretty freaking cool. And it's super lightweight, which I'm surprised. I mean, it weighs really not too much, and you can kind of just basically just let it sit there, and it'll kind of just blink until it's done. Now, I know these do take a little bit of time to discharge, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the video here and pause it, and I'm going to go ahead and let this thing discharge. So by the time we get back to this next segment, and I'm going to time it, and we'll see just how long it's going to take to discharge this 1S battery. So yeah, so we'll see you guys probably in about a couple hours after this thing is done. Okay everybody, so this has been discharging now. I've had it next to me sitting upstairs for about 2 hours now. So let's go ahead and unplug it, and let's take a look after 2 hours of discharging. Let's see what the voltage is at now. So one cell, all, and 385. Okay, so that's pretty good. Usually I discharge them to like 390. You know, roughly right around in there, so 385. So I'm assuming if I let it sit for probably about another half an hour, it probably would have discharged all the way down to the 3.8 where it stopped. So it definitely did its job. It's not too bad. So that's a pretty cool little thing. They're lightweight. You can bring them with you whether you're at the races or whatever. Just toss them on and let them discharge. But yeah, so I like this little product. It's definitely good. So definitely go ahead and check these out. They're on the Tiny Whoop website, so you can go there and get them. I think Jesse said they're going to be like $4 or $5 or something like that, which is not bad for a little discharger. So yeah, so a pretty cool little product. Definitely endorse this one. I endorse pretty much everything from Tiny Whip because Jesse just makes some awesome products. So guys, thanks for tuning into the video. Thank you for watching as always. And while you're waiting for the next video, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you guys later. Have an awesome night.